if the equipment is damaged during transportation. For example, if this happens, the beam is tilted. This is because the synchronous belt and wheels skipped teeth and skipped under the action of external force. In this case, there is a large gap on the left, while the other side is in contact, resulting in the entire beam being tilted. This is the state. Our machine has an adaptive function. Loosen one screw on this side or this side. It can automatically reset. But if the damage is particularly severe, the hardware has been severely deformed, you need to buy the corresponding accessories to replace. Now, in the case of minor damage, loosen this screw. The synchronous belt will automatically reset. We hold it with one hand to make both sides touch this part. Then tighten the screw that was just loosened. And the reset is completed.